Check the gasket groove for any damage. Turn the crankshaft in clockwise direction to align the arrow mark A on the cooling fan with the arrow mark B on the right hand side of the crankcase cover. Ensure free movement of both the rocker arms to confirm the compression stroke. Remember, while you are doing this, the engine should be in cold condition. Open the two Allen bolts of the decompression cam assembly with a 4 mm Allen key and remove the decompression cam assembly. Remove it by opening two bolts with a 8 mm. Tap on the finless portion of the cylinder with a plastic hammer. Now remove two dowel pins.